Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand the mean shift clustering algorithm, one of the most important clustering techniques in machine learning. So, our question is, explain the mean shift clustering algorithm. So, mean shift clustering is a non-parametric and hierarchical clustering algorithm. It is also known as a mode seeking algorithm or sliding window algorithm. One of the biggest advantages of mean shift clustering is that it doesn't require us to specify the number of clusters in advance. This makes it very useful for real world applications such as image processing, computer vision, and pattern recognition. So now let's understand the basic idea behind mean shift. The algorithm works by moving towards the densest region of data points. It uses a moving window called a kernel to estimate the destiny of datasets. The kernel acts as a weighting function. Points closer to the center receive higher weights, while points further away receive lower weights. A commonly used kernel is the Gaussian kernel. Another important concept is bandwidth. It controls how large the search region is and is the most important parameter in mean shift clustering. Now let's see the steps of the mean shift algorithm. So step 1 is design the window, where we select a kernel function and define its bandwidth. And then we will initialize placement, where we place the window on the dataset. The center of this window becomes the initial centroid. Now the step 3 is compute the mean, means find all the data points inside the window and calculate their mean. And then the step 4, which is shift the window. Then we will move the window center to the newly calculated mean. The movement is determined using the mean shift vector. The formula is Vs is equals to 1 by k into summation of xi minus x, where k is equals to number of points inside the kernel, xi is equals to data points within the kernel, and x is current centroid position. The updated centroid will be x is equals to x plus vs. Now the step 5 is repeat until convergence, means again we have to calculate the mean and shift the window. This process continues until the movement becomes very small or negligible. At this stage, the window reaches a dense region called a mode. Now let's look at some applications of mean shifting clustering. In computer vision, it is used for object tracking and face detection. In image processing, it is used for image segmentation and image smoothing. In pattern recognition, it helps in feature extraction and grouping similar data. And in data mining, it is used for discovering density-based clusters. To summarize, mean shift clustering is a density-based clustering technique that repeatedly shifts a window towards the densest region of data points. It uses kernels, bandwidth, and mean shift vectors to locate cluster centers automatically without knowing the number of clusters beforehand. That's all about the mean shift clustering algorithm. And if you guys want these notes, you guys can join our Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.